Hello Tensorians! Today, we're introducing a new feature, Abstract Prompts. With this feature, you only need to upload an image to instantly get details related to the prompts associated with that image. Let's take a look at how to use this feature. How to use Abstract Prompts. 1. Visit the TensorArt official website and click on the drop-down menu of the Create button. Find Abstract Prompts and click to enter. 2. You can also find this feature icon in the top left corner of the prompt input box under Classic Mode. 3. After uploading an image on the interface, wait a moment, and TensorArt will analyze the prompts related to the image, displaying them in the output below. 4. You can click Copy Prompts to easily copy the prompts, or click Create to enter the image creation page. 5. You can also click Re-upload to upload the image again and get corresponding prompts. For a detailed tutorial on image generation, you can refer to our previous videos. We hope this feature makes it more convenient for everyone to generate images. These are the complete steps for how to use Abstract Prompts. If you encounter any issues or have feedback during use, feel free to join our official Discord community and contact us. You can share your points here. That's all of today's sharing. If you enjoyed our content, please subscribe to our channel. We'll regularly share useful tips and exquisite models on our channel. Thanks for your watching.